Replacing an NTC cable harness on the copper bar in the battery pack. Disconnect the general power cables. Remove the balancing power cables. Remove the communications cables. Remove the elbow connector from the pack extinguishment port. Remove the PE cable. Install the maintenance fixture. Remove screws from the general power ports. Remove screws from the panel. Open the panel outward. Cut the cable ties. Pull out the cable harness. Remove the screws that secure the communications terminals. Remove the cable harness on the left behind the panel. Remove the 2 cable clips from the panel. Remove the front panel. Remove the cable harnesses from the BMU collection boards. Remove the copper bar that connects battery packs in series. Remove the general positive and negative power component. Remove the NTC cable harnesses. Install the NTC cable harnesses. Install the general positive and negative power component. Install the cable harnesses to the BMU collection boards. Install the copper bar that connects battery packs in series. Install the panel. Install the 2 cable clips to the panel. Install the internal cable harness. Secure the cables using a cable tie. Close the panel. Install the screws to secure the communications terminals. Install the screws to secure the panel. Remove the maintenance fixture. Connect the PE cable. Connect the elbow connector to the pack extinguishment port. Connect the communications cables. Connect the balancing power cables. Connect the general power cables.